In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make images move in CapCut PC. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's begin. First of all, you want to import your photo into CapCut and then drag it onto your timeline. It's straightforward, and just click and drag your image from the media library down onto the timeline. This is your starting point where all the magic begins. Next, decide when you want the image to start moving. If you want it to animate from the very beginning, click on the photo within your timeline to ensure it's selected. This is crucial because you need the image to be highlighted for the next steps to apply to it. Take a look at the top right panel where you'll find a tab labeled Video. Make sure this is the selected tab. Under the Basic section, scroll down to find Transform. You'll see a small diamond icon beside it, which is the Add Keyframe button. Hover over this icon and click it. This marks the image's initial position on the timeline, laying down the first keyframe. Now it's time to adjust your image's position or scale. Think of this as setting the stage for how your image starts moving. You can choose to zoom in, zoom out, or reposition it around the screen. Once you're happy with this starting position, move the playhead further along the timeline to where you envision the image moving next. It's at this point you reposition or resize your image again, perhaps move it to a different corner or just slightly change its orientation. CapCut will automatically add another keyframe at this new position, creating a seamless motion between the 2 points you've defined. Continue with this process, moving the playhead to the next moment in time, and altering the image's position as desired. You might move it to the bottom right corner or even back to its original spot by the end. Each new position you create will automatically lock in another keyframe, constructing fluid movement throughout the video. To add even more dynamic movement, click on your photo in the timeline to select it once more. Look over to the right side panel and navigate to the Animation tab. Here, you'll have options for in, out, or loop animations. Choose in if you want your image to move as it first appears. Select out to apply motion as it leaves the screen. Opt for loop if you desire continuous movement, which repeats in a fluid cycle. Finally, hit play to preview your video and watch the magic unfold. You'll see your image glide across the screen with the animation effects you've applied. And that's it. That's how to make pictures move in CapCut PC using keyframes and animations. It's a simple yet powerful way to add life and motion to your images. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.